we want to integrate this expression. Note that dx means that x is the integration variable. It means with respect to x. The other letters here, p and q, are constants, and so will be treated as any other number would be treated. So if we integrate 2x cubed, we get 2x to the 4, increasing the power by 1, divide by the new power. Write down the 4, increase the power by 1, and divide by the new power. For the p, write down the p, increase the power of x by 1, and divide by the new power. And for the q, it's a constant, and we've seen before that constants just go to the constant times x, so this will be qx plus a constant. The first term tidies to x to the 4 over 2, but the rest of the terms will remain the same right the way through. So the important lesson here is that letters other than the integration variable are treated as constants.